Hey guys, this is my first video with for Chase. So, well, anyway, today I'm with Chase.
My name's Captain. Can you just let you know?
Turn your mic down, bro.
Sorry.
Oh yeah, quick announcement. Sometimes in Rec Room I get called Decenian. It's actually Decanian. Just wanted to clarify that. And
That is true.
we're playing. Let me just check the game. SCP-3008
We're playing
in Rec Room. Wait, Chase, should we do nightmare mode or hard mode? Even though I've never played this.
We should definitely do normal mode.
Yeah,
normal mode is a lot easier.
Yeah.
This is a good game,
My
so
name is
check
Roomba, by
your
the way,
watch.
guys.
Check your watch.
My watch.
Yeah, don't actually answer. Check your
Joining
watch. Okay,
on
what's
the
it?
Create new server. Okay. I've created a new server, guys. Actually, no, I'm not gonna do the. I'm not gonna do that.
Game on.
Game on. Game on. Game. Wow. This reminds me exactly of 3008 on Roblox. Wait, can we build bases? I wonder if we can pick up stuff. No
Hey,
way!
wait, can I just show you something cool? Very cool.
We can build Chase, we can build bases like 3008 on Roblox.
That's why
Well, so have you played this before then?
I just put some medicine in my backpack. Oh, really, my walkie-talkie. It's not walkie-talkie.
Walkie-talkie? Gimme. I found a man! Hello, good sir. Can you show me, homie, where the couches are? Sir! Sir, please tell me. He's walking away from me as best as. What? I'm walking round a pole right now. Wait, hold on. I found you! I found you! Next to you!
Hey. Is it? Hello?
Hello. Wait. Oh wait, there's two of them. You know we should stay away from these, right?
Wait 1 second. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you in Rec Room.
No, I'm not talking about red, but can you hear me through your microphone? Testing, 1, 2, 3.
Wait, hold on. Say it again.
Press shoot.
Hello.
Testing, 1, 2, 3.
Wait. Go far
again.
away. Go far away.
Yeah.
I'm shooting. Yeah. No, I cannot hear you. They don't work. I keep hearing ticking, and I keep thinking it's gonna be night soon.
Can we let the boy just join? Can we let the boy join? He's actually really good in this game.
Who is?
The boy. He's one of my friends.
No, I can't have anyone who doesn't have permission. You have permission because you're my friendly, and I don't know, and I can't just have random strangers. I mean, technically, Hammy's a random stranger, but we're practically friends now on Roblox. Yeah. Okay, thank God. The TikToking is actually just
Yeah.
Fly for 20
Okay,
minutes.
we need to build a base. Okay.
Build
to get
a
up.
up actually. Okay, I'm up.
What should I do?
William, I've got sanity.
Sanity! 9900 billion of your mother in jackpot 2017. Bro, you
Wait,
should...
William, use that.
Hold on. You know how you fell off of that bit? I'm making it easier.
Yeah, that's what I was doing. I was getting another wood piece.
No,
thanks.
we should start making a base.
Okay, I've just placed another bit so we can go. I've got more wood.
Huh?
William, can you place one like here? See what you see where my wood bit is? Can you place one like near here there? Like up, so I can make a platform and then jump down. Yeah, perfect. Oh yeah, perfect. He just
No, it's center wall. Oh god, never mind. It's not center wall. Hold on. I have another bit of wood. I'm coming. I'm gonna make it even more secure. I'm gonna try and do what pro clutches do. I'm gonna do a pro clutch move. Watch my feet though. Ayo. Watch my pro moves, cousin.
Oh, there's nothing on that floor, so we can go place one there. Who's honeys? I can't let anyone join us. They keep asking to join, but I can't. Oh, William, good idea for bringing up some more wood. Specifically, mine.
Specifically, mine. Like what the hell?
No, my wood.
No, my wood.
I can't. No, it's mine. Give me back my wood as well.
Wait a minute. Oh no. No, I don't want a camera.
Find a camera. Testing, 1, 2, 3.
Stop saying testing 1, 2, 3. I've already had to do a ton of
I'm not
tests.
going to prison. This guy wants me to go to prison. Okay, yeah, we've gone all the way over here. Okay, you can grab some wood. We're gonna build a base now. Oh shoot.
Lol, damn, that sucks. You have to go all the way back. You have to go all the way back down there. That must really suck, bro. Wanna know why that must really suck? It's dark. I'd hurry up. I'd hurry up before we end up dying. Stop saying testing! Bro, I was pressing S the entire time.
Can you hear me?
Yes,
Did you hear me?
I can hear you. Yes, I can hear you through the game.
Is it like, can you hear me like far away?
No. I told you.
Does it say radio connected? Does it say radio connected?
No, we don't. Yes, but we don't need the things. They're pointless. They don't do anything. Take a chocolate rec room. No, wait, what? You hung up.
Hoo-ha, hoo-ha.
You already hung up the call. Oh.
I muted myself.
Wait, what did you call me on? Yeah, what was it?
Alright, yummy, Chase. Why'd you disconnect?
Huh?
No, we actually do need to use microphones.
No, we can just talk from far away, bro. Also, I don't want the WhatsApp call to, you know, get interfered with the microphone. I do not need this. How many times have I got that told you? Ah, you'll never find it now. What did you find, you naughty boy?
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, obviously, though.
Or can you hear me from like far away? Still.
Yes, I can hear you from far away. Still.
Yeah, that means that the radio works.
No, actually, I don't have the radio.
I'm hungry!
Keep the light over here. This is where our base headquarters is. Please shut up.
Okay, William, you're starving. You're hungry. Come on, we need to go. I'm gonna go get you some food. William, can you just take a radio for once? Just take the radio. If it works, then it works. Hold shoot. Where's the radio? Where's the other radio?
I need food. No one cares about the radio. I need
You
food.
need to go find food. I'm downstairs. Oh no, he's there. He's there.
Excuse me, the store is now closed. Please exit the building.
Bruh.
Excuse me, the store.
The store is now closed. Like, shut up. I see you. Chase, can you hear me?
I found a tracker. I found an SCP tracker.
Gimme.
Okay, I'm taking this. You can take that. I need to go find some food. Where's the food you found? I'm starving.
I don't have any food.
Then how have you got loads of health now?
Because I died.
Right behind you. He's there. He was just there.
Yeah, I know he's over there.
He's right there. No, he's right there.
Yes, he's over there. I know that.
He's standing. I watched him walk into your mum's house. Oh, I need to eat.
actually
Get me some food.
I'm gonna be laughing when you die.
Exit the building.
Hey bro, can you kill me quickly?
Excuse me.
Oh no, I died. Oh well.
No, you stay 60 million feet away from me, gosh damn it. You stay a million feet away from me, actually. They're 100,000 meters away from me. I do not want you anywhere near. Quiet.
Okay. Sorry. Try to scare you. I wouldn't table.
I will make absolute
Okay,
hell
day 2 should
noises.
soon come. When there's a guy right next there. It's over there.
Go fast to the start. To start the stairwell. And I'm gonna laugh
lagging.
if you fall. I'm gonna laugh if you fall. If you're lagging, then just stop. What?
See, mister, I dated your sister.
Shut up. I am a kid-friendly channel.
No,
Stop
I'm
being
probably
a
getting. I'm
weirdo.
going prison now. I'm going prison now. I'm going prison now.
Chase, I told you.
Because what I did.
No, Chase, give me the light back over here. This is our base.
Sorry. Okay, I'm gonna go get some more food. Where's the SCP guy? Oh yeah, how you felt?
I didn't fall, actually.
I'm lagging, William. I'm lagging really badly. I'm
Damn,
actually
that
lagging
sucks,
badly.
though.
No, it's because of you. In your life.
Bro, I'm a kidly-friendly channel. Please stop being weird and a sussy backer. Please stop being a weirdo. The base has a tracker at it. Now let's go find some food. I wonder if full damage exists in this game. I don't think it does actually. If full damage exists, drop a like and a subscribe, please. Thought I'd just say that right now. I'm grabbing an entire bed and I'm gonna smack it against your legs. Get over here! Yeah, throw that bed. No way, I found a can. This map looks kind of small. I hate how they removed it so you can only pick up two. I hate how you can't pick up 2 items.
Bro, I found loads of health. Bro, I found so much health. I found so much health.
So did I, bro.
Remember, put some in your inventory. I found loads of food as well.
No, there are no inventories for that. Oh yeah, there is. There's an inventory.
Yes, there are. Yeah. Grab the other one. Grab the other food thing.
I have.
Grab this one. Get this one.
No, I found a can. That's food. Found a food can. Looks like I'm carrying the light by hand and the food in my storage. I can't put the light in my storage. Too big apparently. Bigger than your mom. I am the one. No, we actually
I'm gonna go
need.
get the other light.
We actually need food though. But there's no eat button on the food. So how are we meant to eat if there's no eat button? Whoa. He just fell.
I found a radio. Another radio, but this time it's actually connected. This time it said it connects. So I'm gonna give this one to you, and I'm gonna go get the other one.
Wait, does that mean I put the radio in my inventory? Wait, how do I eat the food? Or is this just an empty can to throw at them?
Testing 1, 2, 3.
I haven't picked up yet. Ah!
Testing 1, 2, 3.
Where are the? Oh
I
no.
said testing.
Hello.
I can hear you.
Oh my god.
Yeah, testing 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it works. Told you.
Yeah, damn.
Keep this on you. Keep this on you.
Yeah.
I can't get up this. I'm gonna move this. I'll move this wood part.
No.
I've also got notice.
Let's just.
No, they can now get up there easier. What?
Bro.
Can you hear me?
So,
Yeah, I can hear you. Bro, when we're far
hey,
away.
it's good.
Bro, when we're far away, we talk through the. It talks through the radio. I heard you when you just came close to me. The radio stopped talking, and I heard you right behind me. And it's like, oh jeez.
Testing, test.
Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3.
Testing. Radio disconnected. No. Oh no. Hello there. Hello, young man. Do you want some cookies? Cookies. I go to look for cookie now. Now, where to put this? Now this is what I'm putting a table like desk. We've got a table like desk.
Testing 1 2 3. You've dropped yours. Yours isn't. You haven't even turned yours on.
Yeah, because I was grabbing something. That's why. Oh no, not again!
Okay,
I need to get.
I tried to tell you I found some food.
Okay.
I tried to tell you I found some food.
Right.
Lots of it.
Why can we not eat the food though? How do we eat the food?
Yeah, we can. You're supposed to hold. You need to walk up to it and then hold it and then press eat. You need to just hold up to it and grab it. Walk up to it and grab it. Specifically, not the giant metal ones. Let's see. Now grab the metal can. Now do the metal can. Go up to close to it.
Oh wait.
There you
we
go.
Grab it. Yeah. Okay.
Wait, what's this button? That's not a button. That's another food. Okay, yeah. Good thing I didn't jump down then. Okay, I'm gonna grab one of it. I might grab one. I might grab a light. I'm gonna expand the base. Testing 1 2 3. Wait, what's
You're
Freddy
not
wants
far-
me to go to?
you're not
I want to go to. Testing 1 2 3.
Testing 1 2 3.
Hello.
Hello.
I just picked up. Right.
Where am I?
You are currently approaching me.
There's a guy trying to.
There's a guy trying to rob you.
By the way, there's a. Yeah, exactly. Could you hear him in the
Store is now
radio?
closed.
Could you hear him?
Please exit
Did
the
you hear him in the
building.
radio?
No, I didn't hear him on the radio.
Excuse me. The
There's
store is now closed.
there's
Please
someone
exit the building.
there's someone underneath the base.
Excuse me. The store is
One
now
check,
closed.
one sec.
Please
Yeah,
exit
there
the
is.
building.
Hold on.
We're over.
Excuse me. The
I'm
store is now closed.
I'm going to
Please
I'm
exit
going
the
to
building.
fix the base. I'm putting my walkie-talkie down.
Excuse me. The store is now closed. Please exit the building.
Excuse me, like please be quiet. I'm trying to read a
Excuse
What
me.
if I was trying to
The
read a
store is
book,
now
man?
closed. Please exit the building.
What's I was trying to
Excuse me. The
read a
store is
book,
now
my guy.
closed. Please
I was
exit
trying to
the
read a
building.
book. And this man just comes up to me.
Excuse me. The
Excuse
store
me,
is now
the store
closed.
is now
Please
closed.
exit the
Please. Please.
Excuse me, sir. The store is now
Excuse me.
closed. Can I lick your balls as well?
Please
What
exit
the
the
heck?
building.
Please exit the building.
Excuse me. The store is now closed. Please
Chase,
exit
I'm
the
a
building.
friend. I'm a kid.
I'm gonna go down.
Chase, stop being
Excuse
a
me, the store is
weirdo.
now
I'm a
closed.
kid-friendly
Please
channel. You
exit the
absolute
building.
freak. I
Excuse me.
can't publish
The
this
store is
video.
now
Sorry.
closed.
Wait,
that.
Among Us. Among Us. Sorry. Look at William
Excuse
Among
me.
Us.
The store
This is the
now
most
closed.
child-friendly
Please exit
video
the
ever.
building.
Among Us. Good
Excuse
Among Us.
me.
This is my pet
The
Among
store is
Us.
now closed.
Oh,
Please exit the building.
This is my pet Among Us. Yeah, I'm gonna go get some food.
Excuse me. The
Good
store is now
boy.
You
closed.
can't see me.
Please exit the building.
I'm going to bring one of the extra lights
Excuse
with me.
The store
bring
is
this
now
one.
closed. Please
Okay.
exit the building.
If you don't see me, then I'm dead.
Excuse me. The
If I come back
store is
without the
now
light, I'm dead.
closed. Please exit the building.
Alright, try not to die then.
Excuse me. The store is now closed. Please exit the building.
Excuse me,
Excuse
can you
me,
please
the
leave
store
us
is now
alone?
closed.
You're
Please
trying to
exit the
goddamn,
building.
trying to freaking murder us. We do
Excuse
not
me.
want
The store
one
is
to
now
die.
closed. Please exit the building. Excuse me. The store is now closed. Please exit the building. Excuse me. The store is now closed. Please exit the building.
Can you please be quiet? I do not like
Excuse
you.
me. The store is now closed. Please exit the building. Excuse me. The store is now closed. Please exit the building.
Excuse me.
Excuse me. The store is now closed. Please exit the building.
Excuse me, can you leave me alone?
Excuse me. The store is now closed. Please exit the building.
Excuse me, can you leave me alone?
Excuse me. The store is now closed. Please exit the building. Excuse me. The store is now closed. Please exit the building. Excuse me.
I am going
The
to
store is now closed.
freaking
Please
kill this
exit the
game.
building. Excuse me. The store is now closed. Please exit the building.
I forgot this game was based on an SCP. IKEA.
Excuse me. The store is now closed. Please exit the building.
Excuse me.
Excuse me. The store is now closed. Please exit the building.
Excuse me. My
Excuse me. The store is now closed. Please exit the building.
Excuse me. Please leave me alone.
Excuse
I do not
me.
want to be
The
stalked
store is
by
now
some
closed.
bald
Please
man
exit
with
the
no
building.
eyes and no ears, with
Excuse
no
me.
nose,
The
and
store
just
is now
knows where you
closed.
are all
Please
time,
exit the building.
and is actually annoying.
Excuse me. The store is now closed. Please exit
Where
the
is this man
building.
actually? Where is Chase? Where
Excuse me.
Where
The store
are
is now
you?
closed. Please exit the building.
No wait, that's copyrighted.
Excuse me. The store is now closed. Please exit the building. Excuse
I
me.
need a
The
light.
store is now closed.
Wait.
Please exit the building. Excuse me. The store is now closed. Please exit the building. Excuse me. The store is now closed. Please exit the building. Excuse me. The store is now closed. Please exit the building. Excuse me. The store is now closed. Please exit the building. Excuse me. The store is now closed. Please exit the building. Excuse me. The store is now closed. Please exit the building. Excuse me. The store
I
is now
hear you,
closed.
Chase.
Please exit
I
the
hear
building.
you. Are you alive?
Excuse
you're
me.
here.
The store is now closed.
Wait, can you hear my mic? Could you hear the radio? Can you hear me through my radio?
Excuse me.
No,
The store
Can you
is
hear it
now
through the
closed.
radios?
Please exit the building.
Did you you didn't get any food? did
Excuse
you?
me. The store is now closed. Please exit the building.
I got health.
Excuse me. The store is now closed.
You're welcome. I got some
Please
health,
exit the
mister.
building.
Take this one. I had to eat it as well.
Excuse me. The store
I
is
couldn't
now
find what I was
closed.
looking for. I couldn't
Please
find the
exit
other thing I was
the
looking for. So I'm a bit unhappy.
Okay, how about
Excuse
I
me.
go
The
search? I
store
go
is now
search
closed.
out.
Please exit.
I'm
Oh,
gonna
never
search
mind.
out. I'm gonna search. I'm
Fine.
gonna go search out. I'm gonna go search for some
Okay, I've got my radio as well.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm gonna go search for the thing I was looking for.
yeah. I'm gonna search for food.
I'm gonna search for not food, but something different.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna search for food.
Something,
Yeah, because I'm.
if you find something shiny and has a wooden handle, then tell me.
Okay.
Just say potato. Say potato. Probably will be in the kitchen, so that's one thing.
As you said potato, I thought I found a potato. No, it's not. I think I found a kitchen.
Did you find a shiny? Did you find a sharp object?
I found a hot dog.
I found some.
I just picked up a hot dog and I'm heading
The ones
back.
I give you. Hey yo.
I told you to stop being sus.
No, I'm not talking about that.
Stop being sus.
There's a flying bed.
You are being a weirdo.
No, there's a flying bed. There's a guy. One of the guys in there. One of the flying beds.
That's
I've said it.
That's still sus.
How is it?
Stop being sus or I won't post this video.
I'll say fine. I'll stop.
Good.
Can they even hear my mic? Can they even hear me? Okay, there's one thing that will be certain.
Yes, they should be.
Oh, okay, then no. No, go through the audio and cut this bit out.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah,
You said something.
that's what I'm talking about.
You said something about how cutting off the audio. I can't. Clip column has logged me out, so I cannot.
I found another radio.
And I do not care.
I see you.
And I do not
I see you.
And I do not care. I just found some sandwiches, yes.
No.
I'm coming back to base. Stop screaming. Stop it, or I'll literally on Monday I will go to school and literally.
This is a kid friendly.
Channel.
Yes.
This is a kid friendly channel.
So stop being stupid then.
William, have you ever noticed kid channel? Like Lanky Box.
Yeah.
I mean, Lanky
Are they sus? No.
I mean, Lanky Box kind of is. No good Lanky Box is though. I will say that.
Their name.
Lanky Box is weird.
Oh yeah, their name might be there. Oh yeah, so I got some.
I need to. Okay, so this is a worker tracker. The worker tracker is not functioning.
Yes, it is.
Okay, there we go. No, now the work.
Bro,
Okay, now
where
it's.
it's
Okay, I'm getting some more wood.
bro, the tracker was always working. It's pointing in the direction of an NPC.
I said I'm getting wood.
Then get wood, stupid.
I have wood.
Then get up here then.
Coming up with some wood.
I kinda need a can of beans that if I'm lucky enough will
Oh,
give
bro,
me
what
help.
kind of beans? What kind of beans?
Okay. I need it for health so that I can survive longer. Because also, if you don't mind, I'm adding a roof to our little hut thingy. Because you gotta think about it. What if it was terrain, you know? What if it was terrain?
William, one of the workers are doing the griddy. William, one of the workers are doing the griddy. I'm not even kidding. Hey, can we add another stair?
Where's the worker doing the grinning?
Space. I am back.
I jumped down. I'm gonna get back because I think it's starting gonna be dark soon. I don't want it to turn dark on me. And I'm like basically have to do goddamn parkour.
I've moved some of the. Okay, yeah, we need that for a roof. We need that for a roof.
Yeah. No, I'm doing this part of the roof.
Yeah, I'm helping out.
No, that's not
Into
how I.
extra.
No,
Oh no, I'm folding.
that's not the type of style I'm going for, bro. That's the type of style I'm going for.
I ate the beans. Oh god, I'm next from man. He's trying to do that.
He's a runner. He's a track star. I see you. Yo, do you have a radio? No, I don't think he has a radio. Man forgot a radio. What is this man doing? Can't have life without a radio. 36 minutes of recording. Oh, name's done. It's a.
Excuse me, the store is now closed. Please exit the building.
Right.
Excuse me, the store is now closed. Please exit the building.
Excuse me, but nobody asked. Thanks.
Excuse me, the store is now closed. Please
Even
exit
my
the building.
character's like, bruh. Is this man gonna
Excuse
stop?
me, the store is now closed. Please exit the building.
This man should have bought.
Excuse me, the store is now closed. Please exit the building. Excuse me, the store is now closed. Please exit the building. Excuse me, the store is now closed. Please exit the building. Excuse me, the store is now closed. Please exit the
I
building.
got 2 woods. I got 2 bits of wood.
Excuse me,
I
the
tried to
store is
grab
now
a hot.
closed.
I tried
Please
to grab
exit
my
the
hot
building.
dog and I kind of broke the table.
Excuse me,
Maybe you should edit
the
that
store
bit
is
out of the
now
video.
closed. Please exit the building.
You should definitely edit that part out of the video if
Excuse
you want
me,
this
the
channel to be
store
more
is now
family
closed.
friendly.
Please
What?
exit the building.
You said I tried to grab my hot dog.
Excuse me, the store is now closed. Please exit the building.
That's not.
You should
sus.
edit that bit out.
No,
Excuse me,
no, it's
the
an
store is now
actual
closed.
hot
Yes, it
dog.
is.
Please exit the building.
It's an actual hot dog. I'm trying to
Excuse
grab
me,
an
the
actual
store
hot
is now
dog.
closed. Please
Not what you
exit the
think it is.
building.
You're making it sound even susser, you absolute
Excuse me,
weirdo.
the store is
Why
now
are you
closed.
why
Please
are you
exit the
thinking
building.
like that, you absolute weirdo? Stop being a cuckoo
Excuse me,
baby.
the store is now closed. Please exit the building.
Stop acting,
the daddy
stop
among
acting
us
like
and the
a
babe,
rip-off
and the
Coco
Excuse me,
Melon.
the store is now
You
closed.
are acting
Please
like a
exit
One
rip-off.
the
baby,
building.
Oi, why'd you touch
Excuse
my...
me, the
baby
store is
among
now closed.
No!
Please exit the building.
Do not touch my radio. This, you see this? This is my
Excuse me,
desk.
the store is now closed. Please exit the building.
William, you need to eat. You need to eat. You need to eat.
Excuse me,
I'm
Take a
gonna
pill.
eat.
Take a chill pill.
please
Take a chill
exit the
pill.
building.
I see what you did there.
Excuse
Take a
me,
chi- take a
the
chill
store
pill,
is
take a
now
chill pill.
closed. Please
I
exit
see
the
what you
building.
did there.
You actually need to eat. No, you need to
Excuse
actually
me,
eat one.
the
You
store
have like
is
no
now
health.
closed. Please exit the building.
That gives you health too.
Excuse me, the store
Sometimes-
is
Oh
now
no, no, it
closed.
doesn't.
Please
Some,
exit the
no,
building.
some,
This is a chill pill.
no, sometimes they'll, sometimes they'll
Excuse
give
me,
you health,
the store is now
sometimes they'll give you
closed.
food.
Please
Okay,
exit the
I'm-
building.
Don't you dare get stuck.
Excuse me, the
It's
store
being
is now
stuck.
closed. Please exit the
Boy,
building.
you! I'm giving you a piece of my mind. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, William, I'm leading him away.
Now closed. Please exit
I
the
died.
building.
Oh, he's pushing me. He's pushing me.
He's pushing your dead body. Oh, I don't want to fall down there.
Excuse me, the store is now closed. Please exit the building. Excuse me, the store is now closed. Please exit the building. Excuse me, the store is now closed. Please exit the building. Excuse me, the store is now closed. Please exit the building. Excuse me, the store is now closed. Please exit the building. Excuse me, the store is now
Yeah, I
closed.
cannot fix
Please
that.
exit the building.
I kind of want to fix that.
Excuse me, the store is now closed. Please exit the building.
That roof is bugging me.
Excuse me,
I've
the
got a
store is
chair,
now
I've got
closed.
I got a
Please
giant,
exit
I've got a
the
giant
building.
sofa. I can't.
Excuse me, the store is now closed. Please exit the building.
You know what?
Excuse me, the store is now closed. Please exit the building.
I think your speech of please exit the
Excuse
building
me,
is
the
stupid.
store is now
Chase,
closed.
you're going
Please
to be the
exit the
death
building.
of me. I nearly just fell off.
Excuse me, the store is now
Can you make
closed.
that somewhere?
Please exit the building.
You blinds me. I can't actually see because of that.
Excuse me, the store is now
The
closed.
store is
Please
now
exit
closed.
the building.
Freddy
Excuse
Fazbear
me,
has
the
invited
store
you
is
to
now
play both of
closed.
them.
Please exit the building.
Wait, Freddy Fazbear
Excuse
invited
me,
you.
the store is now closed.
Leave the couch.
Can we just call?
Excuse me, the store is now
Can we
closed.
actually just call? Can we
Please
just call?
exit the
Because
building.
I keep lagging and I can't hear you.
Excuse me, the store is now closed. Please exit the building.
It's not like we're not going to be able to, and then we don't need to use
Excuse
this.
me, the store is now closed. Please exit the
See, is that
building.
fair?
No, I don't want to go.
Excuse me, the store is now
I
closed.
don't want it
Please
to get in
exit
the
the
way of
building.
the microphone.
Fair enough, fair
Excuse
enough.
me, the store is now
Because then I
closed.
pick it up.
Please
It'll be
exit the
annoying.
building.
Because then there'll be two things and it'll go like.
Excuse me, the store
I
is
don't
now
want it to go.
closed. Please exit the building.
Because I'll just.
Excuse me, the store is now
That would
closed.
just
Please
absolutely
exit the
suck,
building.
One
wouldn't it?
second. Can
Excuse me, the store is
you
now
take your mic
closed.
quickly and just
Please
walk
exit
all
the
the way
building.
down to that?
Bro,
Excuse me,
why
the store
hell
is now
did you do
closed.
that?
Please exit the building.
I didn't do
my-
that on purpose. That was
Oh my
accidental.
God.
Excuse me,
absolutely
the
not.
store is now closed. Please
I
exit the
spent
building.
didn't do that
time
on
doing
purpose.
that.
Excuse
I
me,
didn't
the
mean
store is now
to.
closed.
I
Please
spent
exit
time
the
doing
building.
that.
You mean to go?
Excuse me,
Go
the store
in
is
my
now
life.
closed. Please
Yes,
exit the building.
please.
Well, fuck it.
No.
Excuse
I
me,
actually
the
need
store
you
is now
first.
I'll go
closed.
do that.
Please exit the building.
And I'm stuck because you
Excuse
broke
me,
the roof
the
and
store
now.
is now closed. Please exit the building. Excuse me, the store is now closed. Please exit the building.
Excuse me, but nobody asked.
Excuse
Please
me,
do-
the store is now closed. Please exit.
Alright, never mind.
Excuse me, the store.
Time to go find some food. Oh, I need some food. It's absolutely annoying. I need food. I don't want to die from having food, not having food and having food issues. It would actually suck. And it happened to me earlier, as you might have seen, or as you will have seen if you watched this video all the way through. And also, if you got to the point in the video, comment SCP-3008. So, comment 3008 if you're at this part of the video and confuse all the other people. Yeah, my character absolutely needs food. He's gonna die. And I do not want to die.
Where actually is the food? I don't want to lose the base just because I'm trying to find food.
Wait a minute, I know where the food is. I know where the food is. I know where the food is. Chase! You had the same idea as me, bro. Are you?
No, I know I went to grab some food. I'm gonna go around here.
Okay, I'm gonna go grab a piece of food and put it in my inventory. A sandwich!
Right, I need to get to base right now.
Base is actually very important to me right now. Because I
Do not want to die.
Because nighttime will be hard to navigate, and I do not have the thing.
The tracker. And I need the tracker if I want to survive. Chase. Why is Chase not made it back yet?
I'm gonna wait here for him. I'm gonna just put this food on the table, and be like I'm a family member of some sort. Just wait for him.
Like I'm waiting for him at a meeting or something. Because that way I can Chase.
I found another tracky tracks
Oh, you found another tracker?
and got some more wood.
We
Yeah, found another
should
tracker.
make you a desk now. If we make
Yeah,
you
where's
a...
my desk? That's what I was gonna.
Yeah, but I have a desk
I'm
in the
having my
corner.
desk here. This is my new desk.
No, I have a good place for your desk.
Your desk.
Well, I'm definitely having the sofa area.
Sure.
Tell me where it is.
We
Don't
must
tell me
have
I'm
the
gonna be off the area, don't you? You'll never find me. Don't use the sofa.
It'd be helpful if I could use the sofa to help me get up.
That is what I was asking you if I could do. You wanted to place the sofa down quickly.
Bruh. No.
Yeah? Want me back? I can't get anywhere. So remind me again where my stuff, I say. Okay, I'm dropping the sofa. I'm placing the sofa. Wait, what else did I drop? Oh wait, no, I dropped the wrong thing. Okay, well, I've got the SCP tracker right now. Well, not the SCP, the workers. Since they want to give us they want to show us somewhere where we don't need to go.
Use that, and then I get up on top of here.
Oh, by the way, they're probably gonna come. They're gonna try and take us to. They're gonna try and take us to the weird part of the store, where everything's really, really cheap.
That's just weird, bro. Please never mention that again. Ah, stupid.
Oh, I was just saying. No, I'm trying to make it cheap. I'm trying to make it charm friendly.
Stop talking to me right now, bro. If you want,
Sorry.
there, your office is
I'm
now.
gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna go. Where's the pieces of wood I had? Is that my piece of wood?
This is your
Is that the piece of
desk.
wood I had?
This is
Pass
your
it to me.
desk. Not, bro. You put it back. I'm trying to build you a
I'm placing it
goddamn.
high.
You're actually so
I can
annoying.
build my own.
Chase, you are actually so annoying, bro.
I'm
Please
trying to
stop
build my
being
own. I'm building up.
I built you an office.
That's it. I'm moving out. I'm moving out.
Fine then,
You
move
make me
out.
sad.
Fine, Fine then, move out then.
Now crossing straight.
Fine then. But if you're
Never
moving,
mind. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
yeah. Well, guess what? You could build your own house wall then.
Where does SpongeBob live? Let me just check something. I want to check something. If I... Hello? Can you hear me? Testing.
Yes, I can hear you. Bro, that's a stupid question to ask. I'm trying to find in the right place. There we go. I've done your wall.
Excuse me. Door is now closed. Please exit the
Please
building.
exit the building.
Excuse me.
That's my
The
one.
store is now closed. Please exit the building.
This is my desk.
Excuse me. The store is now closed. Please exit the building. Excuse me. The store is now closed. Please exit the building. Excuse me. The store is now closed. Please exit the building.
What did you say?
Excuse me. The store is now closed. Please
You
exit
need
the
to eat.
building.
Oh yeah, you. Oh, I need to eat.
Excuse me. The store is now
Most of
closed.
this is
Please
probably
exit the
my
building.
hard-earned food.
Excuse me. The store is now closed. Please
I'm gonna
exit
grab
the
some. I'm gonna
building.
grab some more. Thanks.
Excuse me. The store is now closed. Please exit the building.
Probably.
Just a quick friendly reminder.
Excuse
Oh, no, I
me.
Just a
fell.
quick friendly
I
reminder.
fell.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Second reminder of the video, because how long have I been recording? We've
Help.
been recording for 52
Help me.
minutes.
Help
That
me.
is a
Help
definite.
me.
And last time, lol, it must suck to be down there.
Yeah, we definitely. Yeah.
Have fun dying.
I can't see.
Well, that
I
sucks.
can't see.
And then why didn't you think of
So
placing
we gonna end the video
torches?
here. We're gonna end the video here.
Yes, we're going. Yes, totally. Yes, actually, we are going to end the video here soon. But that's in a few minutes, so get up.
Yeah, we definitely ended it.
Excuse me. The store is now closed. Please
I'm
exit
sorry,
the
Dad.
building.
Don't you?
Excuse me. The store is now
I'm
closed.
so happy you
Please
lagged
exit the
then.
building.
If you did not lag, then I would
Excuse me.
probably
Store is now
cancel this
closed.
52-minute
Please exit the
recording,
building.
and I would literally punch you at school.
Excuse me. The store is now closed. Please
Right.
exit
Wait, what
the
happened?
building.
What happened? What did I say?
You were about to
Excuse
say.
me.
You were about
The
to
What was I about to
say.
say? What was I about to
You
say?
were about
Please
to
exit
say
the
the sus
building.
word that beginning with D-A.
Excuse me. The store is now closed.
Don't you dare
Please
say that.
exit the building.
Right, anyway guys, that's the end of today's video.
Excuse
Goodbye.
me. The store is now closed. Please exit the building.
I am going to punch you, Chase. I am actually going
Excuse me.
to...
The store is now closed. Please exit the building.
Last scream of the day.
Sorry.
Excuse me. The store is now closed. Please exit the building.